Welcome to Matters Financial and Geopolitical from a Frontier. I hope you had a great week. Looking forward to the weekend. I certainly am. Euro dollar 111.87, dollar index 97.719, Japanese yen 109.67, the Swiss franc 10027, the pound 126.84. It's still up on the day. The Aussie, that's above 69.6905. India rupee 69.6785, holding on to its Modi gains. South Korean won 11.8811. Brazilian real 404.20. Egyptian pound 16.8645, and the rand 14.4396. This is a one-year chart of the dollar index, about which I've told you ad infinitum I'm very bullish. Euro dollar last trading at 111.87. I'm bearish about the euro. Sterling, this is another chart from EGM. We're currently at 126.87. Sell in May, go away is back and is going to be bad, said Gains Payne's Capital. Oil rebounded slightly following its biggest sell-off this year yesterday. We're currently at $58.62. And we lost our grip on 60 in an orgy of selling volumes, huge spike in volumes as well. The following commodities falling by more than 3 standard deviations: PTA, rubber, zinc, copper, coking coal. Margin calls on retail China oil futures meant they fell much more than Brent or WTI. It will be an interesting few weeks ahead of us. Gold last at 1281.60. I don't think it's running away to the upside. I think we'll come and have a look at 1240 and then maybe recover. Copper futures, and this is relevant to Zambia, are having another go toward the neckline of a formidable head and shoulders. Weak Australian dollar suggests a test will take place. RV analysis. Emerging markets, May 2018. I said this has all the ingredients for baking a good old-fashioned crisis. Same article, countries that have been flying by the seat of their pants are now being caught with their pants down. I also said emerging and frontier markets are shivering as they start to factor in the China emerging and frontier markets feedback loop, which previously was very positive and now is turning negative. And I said if China sneezes, a whole lot of countries are going to get a very serious bout of influenza. Interestingly, in our case, we're relatively immune to this phenomenon because China's not a big taker of our exports. The MSCI Emerging Market Index is down more than 10% since mid-April. EM equities are relatively vulnerable to trade issues.